If you are over 70 and your legs feel weak, heavy, or unsteady, stop what you are doing and watch this. Because what I'm about to share could literally save your independence.
Here's something most seniors don't realize. Every single day after the age of 60, your body loses muscle. Silently, invisibly. It's called sarcopenia, and doctors say it affects over 50% of Americans over 70. It starts in your legs first. That's why climbing stairs feels harder. That's why getting up from a chair takes effort. That's why you feel unsteady or fear falling. And here's the scary part. Most people think this is just normal aging. It's not. Or at least, it doesn't have to be.
But here's the shocking part. Researchers at Harvard Medical School discovered something remarkable. Certain natural fruits you can find at any grocery store, can dramatically slow this muscle loss. In fact, seniors who regularly ate these 3 fruits showed significantly stronger leg muscles compared to those who didn't. And most doctors are now recommending them. So today, I'm going to show you exactly which 3 fruits these are and how to use them starting today.
The first fruit is one you probably already have at home, the banana. Now, I know what you're thinking. Bananas? Really? Yes, and here's why they're so powerful for seniors specifically. Bananas are loaded with potassium, and potassium is the mineral your leg muscles absolutely depend on. Without enough potassium, your muscles cramp, they fatigue quickly, they lose their strength. Studies show that low potassium is directly linked to muscle weakness in older adults. But there's more. Bananas also contain vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 helps your body produce proteins that actually build muscle tissue. And they contain magnesium, which reduces inflammation in your joints and muscles. This is where things get important. 1 banana a day gives your legs the fuel they need to stay strong. Don't underestimate it just because it's simple. Simple is powerful. Eat 1 banana every morning, with breakfast or as a snack. Your legs will thank you.
Now the second fruit. This one surprises most people. Blueberries. These tiny little berries are, without question, one of the most powerful foods on earth for senior leg health. Here's why. As we age, our blood circulation slows down. And when circulation slows, less oxygen and nutrients reach your leg muscles. That means faster fatigue, more cramping, more weakness. But blueberries contain something called anthocyanins. These are natural compounds that have been shown to dramatically improve blood flow in older adults. A study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that seniors who ate blueberries regularly had measurably better circulation in their legs. But here's what most people don't realize. Blueberries also fight something called oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is like rust forming inside your muscles. It breaks them down. It speeds up aging. And blueberries are one of the most powerful antioxidant foods in existence. They literally fight the rust from the inside. Just half a cup of blueberries per day is enough to start seeing results. Add them to oatmeal, yogurt, or eat them straight. Half a cup. Every day, starting now. I want to pause here for a moment because I need to say something important. Every year, over 36,000 Americans over 65 die from fall-related injuries. 36,000. Falls are the #1 cause of injury death in seniors. And the root cause in most cases? Weak legs. This isn't meant to scare you. It's meant to wake you up. Because the good news is, this is preventable. What you eat matters. What you put in your body today directly affects how strong your legs are tomorrow. Don't wait until a fall happens.
Don't wait until the doctor tells you that you need a walker. Start today. And now, the third fruit. This one is especially powerful during summer months, but available year-round. Watermelon. Most people think watermelon is just water and sugar, but scientists have discovered something incredible inside it, an amino acid called L-citrulline. L-citrulline is a natural compound that helps your blood vessels relax and widen. This improves blood flow directly to your leg muscles. A study from the University of Florida found that L-citrulline significantly reduced muscle soreness and improved recovery in older adults after physical activity. That means less pain after walking, less stiffness in the morning, and stronger, more resilient legs over time. Watermelon also contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects muscle tissue from breakdown. 2 cups of watermelon a day, that's the sweet spot. And it tastes amazing. This is one health habit that doesn't feel like a sacrifice. So let's bring it all together. Banana, for potassium, B6, and muscle fuel. Blueberries, for circulation, oxygen flow, and fighting muscle rust. Watermelon, for blood vessel health, recovery, and leg strength. 3 fruits, available at every grocery store. Affordable, natural, powerful. You don't need an expensive supplement. You don't need a complicated diet. You just need to start today. 1 banana in the morning, half a cup of blueberries with lunch or a snack, 2 cups of watermelon in the afternoon. That's it. Do this consistently for 30 days and notice how your legs feel different, more stable, less tired, more like you again. Because you deserve to stay strong. You deserve to walk without fear. You deserve your independence. Now, if this video helped you, please hit the like button right now. It helps us reach more seniors who need this information. And subscribe so you never miss a video like this. We post new health tips every week, specifically for people over 60. Drop a comment below and tell me, which fruit are you going to start with? I read every single comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of those legs. They carry you through life.